Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. In this video we explore the types of common pests that affect plants. So let's get started. Plant lovers and gardeners are all too familiar with the problem that pests may cause to their prized plants. These pests can harm plants' leaves, blossoms, stems and roots, which could result in a slowed growth and reduced production or even plant death. Following are some common pests regularly affects plants. Aphids. Small soft-bodied insects known as aphids eat plant sap. They are located on the undersides of leaves, and because of their quick reproduction, they can cause infestations. A fight can result in a leaf stretching, yellowing, and curling. Additionally, they expel iodides, a sticky material that can draw ants and encourage the development of mould. Whiteflies are minuscule flying insects that they on the underside of leaves. They cause plants to sap-suck, which result in watering, yellowing, and stunted development. In addition, honeydew produced by whiteflies can encourage the growth of sooty, mould, and draw ants. Caterpillars. The larvae of butterflies and moths are known as caterpillars. They eat leaves, which result in skeletonization and even holes. If left untreated, several kinds of caterpillars can completely develop plants. Mealybugs. Mealybugs are tiny, soft-bodied insects that consume the sap of plants. They have a white, waxy material covering them, like cotton. Mealybugs can result in reduced growth, wilting, and leaf yellowing, similar to aphid and whiteflies. They emit honeydew, which draws ants and encourages the growth of mould. Spider mites. Spider mites are little orchids that prize plant cells to feed the sap. They are challenging to spot without a magnifying glass, yet they can seriously harm plants. Plant decline and yellowing leaves are symptoms of spider mite infestation. Snails and slugs are mollusks and consume leaves, stackled and flowers as a food. They can seriously harm plants, especially in wet settings, and they leave behind a slime trail. Fungal diseases. Although not considered pests, fungi diseases can have a significant negative influence on plant health. Powdery mildew, down mildew, and different roots are examples of common fungi. To avoid inflammation and reduce plant damage, it is crucial for gardeners to recognize and keep an eye on the tip- typical pests. Effective management of these pests can be achieved by putting into practice. Thank you so for watching for my video. Please give it a thumbs up if you found it useful, entertaining and informative.